Students, hi, and welcome to week 2 of microeconomics. We are looking at consumer and producer surplus, supply and demand. There are quite a few short videos this week, so make sure you are keeping up. The homework is only chapter 3, so we're only doing chapter 3 this week, and there are quite a few questions for chapter 3. Do your best with those questions. I think there's 12. And again, it's the same thing. It's a Word doc and write on there, and then you're going to upload it back to that space. There also is, I gave an in-class example that is similar to many of the questions in the homework. You will see that there. So it looks like the homework and give you some examples of what you might want to put for homework questions. I will be posting week 1 answers probably by Wednesday, so you can go through and double check all of your work and see what the suggested answer would be for each of those questions. So if you do not have your homework in for week 1, get that in. For full credit, you'll need to have that in by tomorrow night, midnight, because I will be posting on Wednesday the answers. You can still turn it in late and get partial credit. So make sure that if for some reason you don't get it in, you at least get it in late and get partial credit. You don't want to miss all of those points. And make sure you get your discussion post in from week 1. Let's see what else. Videos. Make sure you're checking the grade book. And if you have not sent me a video yet, or at least talk to me about an in-person meet, send me a 2-minute intro video. You can send it to my phone. There are my kids on the phone, right? Send it to my phone, 814-490-6473, a quick video just saying who you are so I know you're a real person, and, you know, kind of an intro. Or you can upload it right to the video slot on there. You could also email it to me. You can request a Zoom meet, FaceTime. I will, you know, those types of things. So you can meet with me on campus. So again, you can email me, crobertson, EC3B. It's ec3pa.org. What else? So just make sure you're keeping up with the homework and keeping up with some of the ideas. If you do have questions about things, you can shoot me a text or email. I've had a couple texts and emails about questions, and I can send you some extra videos. Again, Khan Academy, if you haven't used that, you can go on Google Khan Academy, and any of the topics that we go over. Sean does a great job, Sean Khan, with microeconomics, and so he does a great, I think, short videos, 2 to 8 minute videos on all the topics that we cover, because microeconomics is pretty universal, and he does a great job with a lot of those videos. So if you want a place that you can find a lot of videos, particularly for this class, that just offer another look at some of the topics, things like the PPF, Production Possibilities Frontier, things like supply and demand curve, supply curve, some of the factors that shift the supply and demand curve, all of those things you can find on Khan Academy. I will actually put a link to Khan Academy up in the course content, so you have that. You'll have to look for microeconomics in particular once you get to the Khan Academy, but it's pretty, you can type in the exact topic that you're interested in. I mean, again, there are also lots of other videos, or I can, meet with you if your schedule allows and talk with you about any of the different topics. All right, well, have a great week, and don't forget to get everything in, and I will circle back with you later this week. We are already in week 2. Again, Easter being a holiday of next week, whether you celebrate it or not on Sunday, homework and things won't be due until Monday of next week. And actually, they're not due till Monday this week as well. Typically, it's Sunday night, but I give you till Monday night. So if you have questions on that, let me know. Otherwise, have a great evening if you're seeing this Sunday night. If not, you're seeing it Monday. Have a great week, and I will try to shoot back at you later this week.